Dash cams, there's a lot out there, the market is flooded, but I think we offer the best in the business. John Kleis Car Audio. My name is Connor and today we're going to show a dash cam installation we've done on this F30 2018 3 Series BMW. The main brand we deal with ourselves here is Thinkware. In our opinion, they're one of the best out there. This customer's gone for the top of the range model, which is the Thinkware U3000. The front camera, you can just about see it mounted here. We've actually put a sun strip on this car so it hides most of the body, but you can just about see it poking out there. Obviously we'll go inside in a second, have a look. This is the top of the range model. This offers radar technology, so when the vehicle's parked up, it gives the most amount of recording time-wise on parking mode without drawing little to no current off your car battery, which is obviously important, especially if you own a hybrid or electric car. We've got 4K resolution on the front camera, and you've got a very good 2K resolution on the rear camera. Now that rear camera can see through even the darkest of tints. If you go around to the rear window, you can barely see the rear camera. In fact, I can't even see where it is. Yeah, there, it's about there. So the rear camera is mounted about here, literally off-center to the brake light, so you don't see the cable in the brake light area, which is obviously important. That's where the rear camera is, but we'll have a closer look inside. Right, so this is the Thinkware U3000 in the flesh, or the plastic as it may. I'm going to start her up, so turn her on, because what she'll do is she'll go through a little starting procedure and talk to me and tell me what the current condition of the camera itself. There you go. Motion detection recording. So now what it's telling me is basically telling me how many motion detections happen and how many event detections have happened. Now this camera can give you a few days without an additional battery, right? But that just saying 100%, reason why it's done that is because actually we've added the largest Thinkware I-volt battery to the system. Now the reason we've done that is to give the customer almost a couple of weeks of recording time, probably even longer actually, on the battery, so he can literally park it up the whole week at work, or he's gone on holiday for 2 weeks. He's generally going to have the footage if someone has reversed into his car, front or back by the way, because the parking mode on this camera works from front and rear on radar, not just on the front. Extremely clever bit of kit. Very easy to navigate around if you want to download footage. There is an application for the smartphone, Android and Apple compatible, that will actually allow you to connect your phone to it wirelessly through Wi-Fi and actually download footage directly like that. You can also change settings if you want, but us being us, we make sure the camera is on, in our opinion, the best settings before it even leaves our premises. Okay. And main man Max behind the camera is getting to the back. That's the rear camera, extremely subtle, mounted up basically above almost the roof lining area. Even from the front, from the rear view mirror, you barely notice it. Now, I will do another video probably on the actual workings of the application on the phone, showing you how it all works, but not for this one. This is just going to show you the Thinkware U3000 fitted in a car and a bit of explanation about the battery we've added and obviously the parking mode on this particular model, which at the moment is the best model on the market for parking mode. There is nothing better. I'm going to sign off there. This is Connor from John Kleis Car Audio. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Obviously, if you want to get in contact, the links are in description for this video. For now, that's Connor from John Kleis signing off. See you later.